Water cycle. Water constantly moves from the earth to the air and back again. The constant circulation of water from the earth to the atmosphere and back to the earth again is known as the water cycle. Water present on the earth, in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and other water bodies evaporates due to the heat of the sun and moves to the atmosphere. Also, water in the form of vapor goes to the atmosphere through transpiration. It gets cooler when you go higher up from the surface of the earth. The air moving up gets cooler and cooler. While moving up at sufficient heights, air becomes so cool that the water vapor present in it gets condensed into tiny water droplets or dust particles. These water droplets remain floating in the air and appear as clouds. Many water drops, under suitable conditions, come together to form large-sized water drops. Some water drops become so heavy that they begin to fall on the ground as rain, hail, or snow. This process of water drops coming back on the earth in the form of rain, hail, or snow is called precipitation. This way, there is a continuous exchange of water among land, water bodies, and atmosphere. This cyclic exchange of water is called water cycle. Water cycle maintains the water balance on land, water bodies, and atmosphere. It also controls weather patterns and sustains plant and animal life on the earth.